Let's take a look outside, Josh. How are we looking?
Yeah, you know, those few scattered rain showers that are pushing through our area just helping to kind of fuel all of the blooms and blossoms that we are seeing here across the Pacific Northwest. And we can thank those April showers that have worked their way into the month of May, which is very typical for us here in the Rose City as we are enjoying those drier skies later this evening. Of course, if you have any blooms or blossoms you'd like us to see, you can scan the QR code on your screen. That will direct you to KOIN.com. Now, even despite all of those blooms and blossoms, the wet weather helping to suppress our pollen count slightly, and we'll be continuing to tumble that back to the low category for the first time in about a month or so. Now we have experienced those pollen counts this low come Sunday, so maybe just taking a brief break from the allergy medication as we still have several more months of the grass pollen counts to continue to rise. All as this latest batch of wet weather is tracking its way further to the east as a drying trend is starting to take shape, keeping the cloud coverage overhead, but eventually some of these rain showers transitioning over to a few snowflakes up in elevation, leaving behind a cool swath of air. Mid-50s is where we currently reside, down almost 10 degrees for us here in Portland as we're actually on the warmer side further off to the east. But rain gauges, a happy sight to see, filling back up to about 1/10 of an inch or so as we still hold on to a rain deficit for the month of May. Keep in mind, it took about 13 days for us to see any measurable rainfall. So when we're talking about 3/4 of an inch of a deficit, yeah, that still puts things into perspective for us. All as our jet stream is becoming a little bit more linear overhead. That means the cooler and the wetter weather still has the potential to reside overhead, but you'll notice this ridge of high pressure quickly building out towards the west. That's going to be our warming, drying mechanism as we move our way into the end of the weekend and the start of next week. So we'll time everything out here with our futurecast. Mostly dry conditions for the remainder of the night, keeping those mostly cloudy skies. It's almost a rinse and repeat scenario for us come Friday with a drier start to the day, a few scattered rain showers for the later half of the day, and you'll notice the snowflakes falling up in elevation once more. All above about 6,000 feet or so is where we expect to see any accumulation, but maybe a rumble or two, a better possibility over the Cascades of western Washington. Overall, rain gauge is expected to still fill up over the next 48 hours, close to, I'd say, about 1/4 of an inch or so. As tonight we dry things out, fall back into the mid-40s. Afternoon highs tomorrow, low 60s for us here in the valley. Out towards the coast, mid-50s and 60s fell out towards the east. Maybe you're planning a weekend beach getaway. The coast expecting to see those temperatures hover into the mid to upper 50s. Drier for us on Sunday. And if you're heading out to, say, McMinnville for the UFO Fest 2026 parade, you can expect maybe just a few slash and dash showers. All as our 7-day forecast is showing drier weather on the other side of the weekend. That's where the sunshine becomes a little bit more abundant, helping to warm things back up into the mid to upper 70s. That's above our average of the low 70s for this point in the month of May.
All right. Yeah. Well, we needed the rain. We got it.
We do. Yeah.
Coming up next week.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it, Josh.